Hey guys, JB here from Node Networks, where staking is for everyone. And of course, we have our Node Networks FSN pool and our Node Networks Cardano pool up and running live. So if you're interested in staking your 88 coins or your FSN coins, be sure to check out nodenetworks.org. Now in this video, I'm pleased to drop a tutorial on how to earn Chainge token by signing up for their waitlist, joining your social media accounts, and referring friends. So without further ado, let's dive into it. All right, so over here at the Chainge website on the home screen, and Chainge is going to be a digital financial app running on the Fusion blockchain and powered by Fusion DCRM, where it'll be able to route seamlessly between blockchains such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, just to mention a few. Now, I will make a video in the future about what is Chainge, but for this video, I'm going to focus and make a tutorial on how to sign up for the waitlist, earn Chainge points in order to earn Chainge tokens. Now, a couple key things to note is that the amount of points you earn by the time the Chainge app launches will equate to the amount of Chainge tokens you will be rewarded. So for example, if you earn 100 points at the time of the Chainge token launch, you will get 100 Chainge tokens. Now, something that is really cool about how Chainge Finance is releasing the token supply is that it's strictly tied to the point system generated for early adopters in the community. There will be no team allocation, and supply is directly related to how many points are earned by the community. So it is important to sign up early before the dApp launch in order to be rewarded greatly. All right, so to get started and earn points, we're just going to scroll down to the bottom and join the waitlist. All right, so down here at the bottom, you can see that we can sign up by either joining with our email address, or we can sign up with one of these social media accounts. Now, just to sign up, it will give you 50 points. And then if you add different social media accounts, they equate to more points, which I'll show you on the next page. So I'm just going to sign up with my email address and just select sign in. Now, once you've signed in with your email, it will ask you to verify your email, which you will have to jump into your email and quickly verify. So do that. All right, so now landing on the Chainge home screen for my account. If I just scroll down a little bit, my rank on the waiting list is number 15. And the total points I've earned so far are 70 points. Now, if I just click on this, I can see exactly what I earned points for. So you can see 70 points earned, which will equate to 70 tokens, and community total earnings are updated live, 1921 points, which will be 1926 now Chainge tokens. Now, I earned points, 5 points for connecting my email, another 50 points for joining the waitlist, and then I've actually connected my Twitter account, which I'll show you in the next steps, which gave me an extra 15 points. So in total, I've earned 70 points. Now, to earn more points, we can go up here to the Earn Points tab. Now, once again, 50 points for joining the waiting list. Now, if I select your profile, now under your profile, you can do various things, connecting your phone number and different social media accounts, which will earn you different points. So just to connect your phone number, you get 30 points. Your email address, we already did, but WeChat, which is like the Chinese Facebook, if you connect that, you get 15 points. If you connect your Facebook, another 15 points. If you connect your Telegram, 5 points. LinkedIn, 15. Toutiao, which is another Chinese platform, 15 points. And if you input your Fusion address, so your public key, you get 30 points. So now I want to earn more points. So I'm going to actually add my Fusion address. So if I just go over here and select add address, if I have my public key handy, I can just enter it in here. Or if you don't have it, or don't even have a Fusion address in general, but you have an Ethereum address, it uses the same keys, however, on the Fusion blockchain. So let's say you have an Ethereum MetaMask, you can add a custom RPC, which I'll actually link a video up above on how to do this. under your MetaMask wallet. Or if you have something like a ledger, you can jump over to wallet.net, which is WHALLET.net, and connect your ledger wallet by using the Ethereum app through the ledger. Now you can also connect your Trezor or a JSON file, or you can create a new wallet by clicking on this tab above. All right, so now moving on to our third and final step on how to earn Chainge points to then earn Chainge tokens. So this is arguably the most exciting step, and it's to refer friends. So if you go up top to earn points, click on there, bring you here, and select the referrals tab. Now, the point system for referrals is really interesting, and I really like how they did this. So for every friend you refer, you get 10 points. Now, if that friend refers another friend, you get 3 points. And if that friend's friend, so 3 friends down the line, refers a friend, you get an extra 1 point. So yeah, if you refer a ton of people, you have a chance to make a ton of points, because basically you're earning 3 referrals down the line and you can accumulate tons of points. So be sure to add as many friends as possible. So it could be a huge Chainge finance friend party, which everybody loves that. So yeah, really exciting. If you want to just copy your referral link, or you can generate a post, you can post it to your Twitter, social media accounts, get as many people to sign up as possible, and it's a win-win situation. And one more note, I will be leaving the Node Network's referral address down below in the description, and if you sign up with our referral address, you get a bonus 5 points. So you can actually just scan our QR code right here, or our referral address will be linked in the description below. So if you want to sign up using our referral, we would really appreciate that and the support you guys give us. If not, you can just sign up on your own through the website. Not a big deal. So anyways, that's it for me. Be sure to sign up to Chainge.finance, join the waiting list, add your profile from phone numbers to social media accounts, and add as many referrals as you can to earn as many points, and then you'll earn some great rewards in Chainge token. Anyways, that's it for me. I'm JB at Node Networks. Peace out, later, and bye for now.